Hi everyone, this is Ankitha and I have been working in Schneider Electric for the past 1 year as a software test engineer in the HMI team. So attending this event Hackware by Schneider with the strategic business partner as Forge, it has been a really good experience for me because there are a lot of different teams participating which are into a lot of different domains like power optimization, predictive analysis, user enhanced touch screens and a lot more. So plus there have been a very diverse population over here, so interacting with everyone has been a great learning experience for me. As well as I have been attending few workshops over here like a workshop for 3D printing and additive manufacturing and one on artificial intelligence and machine learning, and both of them have been really great because it helped me in expanding my horizons beyond what I have been working on currently. So iTOOLS is something that is provided by Forge, and I think it's a really great analysis tool for your business. Like if you have an idea, then it can calculate the risk and the business potential, the market, everything. So I think it gives a very good analysis of your product, like of your idea and how it can be converted into a MUP. The teams have been doing really great. Some teams have like really terrific ideas over here, and I was really thrilled to see so many people with so many different ideas, and they have been doing so much work, and yeah, they're really good. Hackware.